Hello everyone, it's me Rose. Today we are drawing a beautiful and cute cupcake drawing. This is a delicious and cute cupcake. Come and try to draw with me. This is truly a magical and yummy cupcake with blinking eyes. It is so easy to draw this cupcake, so come and try to draw with me. Bring your paper and pencil and draw this adorable drawing with me. Look how shiny and beautiful this cupcake is. Look at the eyes of the cupcake. If you're enjoying the video, please like the video and subscribe the channel for more amazing videos. Now I'm coloring the cupcake. This is red color. This is a rainbow cupcake drawing. So I'm using yellow color. This colorful cupcake looks yummy as well. Do you love to eat cupcakes and cakes? This is blue color. I love to eat and draw yummy cakes so much. This is orange color. This is a colorful cupcake. Let's draw. Welcome to Magic Color Home Drawing Channel. It's me Rose. Today we are drawing a beautiful and cute horse drawing. This is a magical horse with blinking eyes and amazing features. Let's draw this horse together. Look at its eyes. Its eyes are moving and blinking. This is truly a magical horse. Baba. Magic Color Home Drawing channel. It's me, Rose. Today we are drawing a beautiful and shiny butterfly. This is a magical butterfly with the blinking eyes and magical features. This is a cute butterfly with rainbow colors. Do you love to draw butterflies? I just love to draw beautiful butterflies so much. Let's draw together. If you are enjoying the video, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe the channel for more amazing videos. Look at the shining and blinking eyes of the butterfly. This is just looking so real. This is a colorful butterfly drawing tutorial. Bring your paper and pencil and draw with me. You will love to draw with me. Welcome to Magic Color Home Drawing channel. It's me, Rose. Today we are drawing a beautiful and amazing giraffe. This is a magical giraffe drawing with blinking eyes and magical features. We are drawing a happy giraffe with a sun. It is so easy to draw this giraffe. So come and try to draw with me. I am drawing his eyes.
Cats in the cream jar, ooh, ooh, ooh.
His eyes are moving and blinking. Look, this giraffe is looking so magical and real. Do you love to draw animals drawing? I just love to draw animals drawing so much. If you are enjoying the video, please like this video and subscribe the channel for more amazing videos. Happy drawing!
Cows in the pasture, moo.